Good morning, dear student. Welcome back after a short puja vacation. I hope all of you have enjoyed during the vacation and spent some time in worshipping goddesses Durga and asking for her blessing so that the world is relieved from this pandemic coronavirus and our school reopens so that we all can assemble in our classroom and continue our study. But since due to pandemic our school is still closed, so we will be continuing with our online classes, and for class 5 in the same way I will be sending you videos and PDF files of your social science chapter. You have already given your first semester examination, and you are aware about these videos and PDF files. So first let me discuss about the syllabus. So this time your syllabus will be chapter 4, evolution of transport. Okay, chapter 4, evolution of transport. Then chapter 9, responsibilities of a citizen in a democratic polity. Responsibilities of a citizen in a democratic polity. Then next chapter will be eclipse and major temperature zones. Eclipse and major temperature zones. And one more chapter, that is the environment major concern. The environment major concern. So four chapters are there. Okay, chapter evolution of transport, then responsibilities of a citizen in a democratic polity, eclipse, the major temperature zones, and environment major concern. So four chapters are there, plus the chapters that have been taught in your first terminal, okay, or first semester. So all these chapters will be there in your syllabus. So we will be starting with chapter 4, that is evolution of transport. Evolution means how anything have developed, evolved. Okay, and transport means means of communication, how we travel or we carry things or loads or goods from one place to another. So how did this transport evolve and developed? Earlier, when transportation system was not there, it was very difficult for people to move or to go to any place, especially when they had to carry heavy loads. Okay, it was very difficult. The only way to travel was by walking, and the only way to carry things was their shoulder. On their shoulder, they used to put the things or whatever things. In this picture, you can see that this man have hunted a pig. Okay, and then he had to carry this pig to his place. Okay, and so since he had no other means, he can walk, he can go by walking, and he had to carry this heavy pig on his shoulder. So it is very difficult. You must have noticed that when you go to school and you have to carry your school bag on your shoulder, then it becomes very difficult. You feel heavy, isn't it? That your shoulder starts paining, you complain to your parents that my shoulder is paining, I cannot carry this bag, it is very heavy bag. Okay, so imagine this person, okay, how difficult it was for him to carry this pig on his shoulder, and that also by walking. So at that time, this was the only means of communication. You can walk. How much you can walk? It was not easy also to go to far away places by walking. Then slowly, man, we know that the only thing that made a man different from other living creatures was the brain, the human brain, which was active, okay, which can think, which can find solutions to problems. Whenever any problem arose, they used to think about that problem and find a solution. So this man, while walking, he was thinking, okay, that how difficult it is so heavy, okay, my legs are paining, my shoulders are paining. So he was thinking about how to carry this with some less difficulty. So maybe he got an idea that if he can uh, drag the pig. Okay, so he kept the pig on the ground and started dragging by catching his leg or anything by dragging. So that also it was not easy. So maybe he got an idea. He put some wooden. Okay, you can see this is a raft. Okay, a wooden structure, and then maybe he have kept the pig or anything on this, and then from there he tied something rope or anything, and he started pulling. Okay, so this was quite little easy. It was difficult, but not as difficult as this stage. So in this way, we are seeing that from first stage he came to the second stage, and then since it was also not easy to carry the load, so maybe he collected some logs which was round in shape, and then he kept the pig or the heavy load on it and started pulling it with the help of a rope or anything. And then he found that these logs started rolling, okay, and it was easy, more easier than this part. So this way he got the idea of making a wheel. And the fourth stage, you can see that this man, when he got this idea, he started cutting the logs and he made a wheel like a structure. Okay, so in this way the wheel was discovered. Okay, so in this video we will discuss up to here. Then in the next video I will start the lesson. Okay, till then take care and bye. See you again in my next video. Thank you.